Hi. It's really, like,
Hi.
it's early in the morning, so sorry if we sound
It is 9:16.
It's just me and my sister, Sam, Kitty, 166. Ooh, rubber. Okay, let's go. We're in the poop.
In the wheels.
It wouldn't be soil because soil doesn't have all those flies and isn't stinky.
Stop letting me jump. I'm in. Now,
Mr. Chicken Robot. I mean Rocket.
Same Kitty. Okay, so what is Q for? Oh,
Bombing.
We haven't played this game in a long time. I'll get these.
Okay, we're going. Come in here.
I went the other way. You have to
Why?
save me.
I can't get to you.
I can't move. Hey, level it up. Okay. Wow. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I did it! Just place the bomb. You can't see what's going on where I am. I'm going back where you are. Whoa! Noah, there's a star thing!
I'm totally dying. Okay.
Noah, look! On my screen.
Mm-hmm.
How do you open it?
Not actually, Mr. You can open starters if you have a star. You can get a star by beating the game.
Come on, let's beat the game then. Let's go back.
Can you please get to where I'm at? Thank you. Now this way. I already got all of it. No! Dying. You shouldn't have done that.
I'm dying.
Wow, this is actually really hard. I get it. I help you.
Get me out of this mess! I need a height. Why am I still going like that?
Okay, that was fun.
I need a height.
There's two. This way.
Hold on.
No.
No, I can do this.
Come on. Yeah, you didn't. Did you not read the instructions?
Help. I cannot.
You gotta go from afar and shoot them.
Stop. Okay. Hey, get off of me! Get off! No!
Sam, why are you dead?
I'm not going back to town.
You better get that.
Oh, there's a hole. It's not letting me. It's not letting me.
You will revive for free on the next round.
Oh, yeah, you have to defeat the boss.
Oh, wait, I know why, because that's my heart. Okay, come on.
I don't like this. Yay, I don't get to be dead.
You are dead.
Oh, a key! Let's get it. I can get a height. Oh no, we can't do that, cause I'm dead.
Probably cost money.
thinks I'm on a device. I'm not on a device. Thinks I'm not on a computer. Sorry.
Sorry for being really quiet. I'm just trying to get past this. Okay, let's go. A donut? Maybe donut. Bouncing shots. Okay, let's try it.
She didn't.
Oh, it's bouncing off of him.
No, there's a chest. That's all I
can't open the chest.
Place a bomb. They tell you open chests. Is a place a bomb. Where's the next door? I'm going.
Okay, I am placing a bomb. If there's a heart in it and you're not here, you're not getting it. Okay, there's just a turnip or radish. What's the difference?
I had to wait for you.
There's a heart.
Okay,
Sorry about that. Okay.
that heart is yours.
I don't know how to make you revive.
We had to get.
Yeah. Okay, so our brother is here.
Yeah. Wanna play different games too?
It's no.
Boss. To make it in my name.
Okay, let's go. Like now. Oh wait.
So hi. I just wanted to say hi to fans. No, you didn't. Wait, you're a ghost, Sam. Yeah, no. I think you're a ghost.
She died a long time ago. There's a whole bunch of lives with him.
Won't let him shoot me.
Turn up. I mean a radish. I don't know why it's not letting you play. There's been several hearts.
Those are ill heights.
Or slime hall.
I can't wait for slime halls.
Yeah, this is gross. I kind of like the colors.
Yeah. It lights up. It lights up.
Wait, you're back.
Yeah.
Right, they said the next round.
No, I accidentally placed the ball.
Great job.
I'm terrible at this. I mean, terrible.
That's probably why you died. Oh, no.
They can't get me.
Oh, the eyeball's horrible. You stall them.
I'm trying to shoot them too. I want to get the height.
Yes. Okay, get your bomb.
Let's get the chest.
I don't want to waste mine because we need to save them for the final.
Anyway, height. I need a height. You.
Get one.
I got one.
Okay, which way? This way? Wait, no, that one had stuff in it.
Save me.
Save yourself. I'm kind of being surrounded.
Do you want to play a different game?
No.
Slime
Let's just
Ball.
wait till the video's over. How?
Because I am. I'm terrible at this game, you know.
I guess I gotta make it through this round.
Without my help. Look, I'm a floating eyeball. Oh,
Where's that creepy chicken thing?
Over here. I cannot go over here. Ah, just carry me. Well,
Okay, this way.
you are dead. I hate that. It gets me
It
all
says you died. Oh, I hate the little guys.
I have 2 keys, and you never get it out of me. And 6 chests. What is the chest for? I don't play
Where
this
do you
game.
see chests?
Fail. Bomb. Chest. You can only open loot.
What?
Oh, you can only open
Great!
the town.
Did you not know what those were?
I do not know.
And what are you talking about, loot box?
Let's go where I'm at.
Okay. Wait, I need to get all these.
Wait, I could have gotten that height.
It was blurry though.
No, it wasn't blurry for me. Am I not going in it? Which way did you go? I'm not moving.
Oh, I found a star thing.
I fell.
Get the heart.
Ah! Chest!
Get the heart.
Yeah. No, it's too fuzzy.
Both.
The chest fell!
You can't go that way.
Wish I can float.
We have to go way back.
You missed the coin.
It doesn't really matter.
And you're in the another corner. Where are you?
I can't do this. I can't do this because you're not here. You come here. Let's see. You stand on it.
I'm a ghost.
Stand. See?
I get some hot dogs.
No, you don't.
Open up the chest. Open them up. I guess they would have a light.
Here, I have the sounds.
Open up, open up. Open up.
Oh, come on. I
No.
just wasted it.
At least you have 4. I have 2. Put a bomb on top. Put a bomb on top. Which one of you are the bombs on top?
This one has a heart. Can you get it?
Yeah, I see it. I got.
Okay.